You see yourself, it's all you can be. Yourself. Just try to be yourself. Everything where you do. So that word of serendipity, go look it up. Powerful, 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 powerful moment when you find serendipity. You know? Watch your life this morning. It's a thing mix up, bring it up over and page a child with controversial type. And instead, me I go answer. So, yes, me I answer. You know, I love alone we have face, in front of the camera and behind the camera. Black woman need a leader, you know? Black women need a leader, a proper leader. And true, we never really sign up to do no leadership role. We just know the kind of woman we want to lead where you know. I remember you win them. You win them, sir. And you go for the best umbrella we could have find at the time, the church. You don't want to say way more than what you said on the live this morning still, but at some point your true self will come out. Because of that we love you for when you are little youth and I listen to this you know. That realness there, that rawness there. So yeah man, much love and respect to you man. The truth of the talk, isn't it? You know, Mr. Footer, you represent for the woman, for the man them way. I really want to see woman come together. As if woman come together, you know, no relevance boy, I me love you too, Footer. But you have to know, say, we as black women have to get our business together because we can't depend on uno man. You see where you want staff to come beat down spice in the ground. But God never did beat her down in the ground. And she, if you fully know, say God will give her a next chance and take it. And though they still a play with the devil. But it's not our duty to hit somebody when them down. And not our practice that. So watch your mouth, Footer. You have to watch your mouth and make sure so you're true to the whole heap of struggles the way you are take up. Because the Gideon just has started. Make up yourself, ladies, do the right thing. That you have to do. That we all need.